Hey everybody, my name's Will Orrock, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness. And today I've got some new moves for you. We call it the cross forward side back and the cross forward side back with the triple step. So let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our left 4 times. Once I get to that third step, you're gonna see me do this and I'm gonna cross on 4. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, side. Okay, then we go cross again, side, cross, side, and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to do that on the other side. Before we go any further, I want to give you a little bit more indication of what you do. You cross in front, you cross inside, you cross behind, you change weight to the other side, you cross in front, you cross on the side, and you cross behind, and then change weight and tap. Okay? So with the count, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Now let's do it to the other side. So we're over here and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same thing I did on my left-hand side is the same thing I'm going to do on my right-hand side. So it's really cool when you actually can get that with the music, and also if you can do it with your partner. And don't forget, your partner can do something else while you do that, and that's okay, as long as she or he is able to follow or copy what you're doing. So make sure you're clear on your moves, okay? Both lead and follow can do these steps. Of course, the lead is going to lead it, so follows if he hasn't done it or she hasn't done it yet, then make sure you guys wait for that. If there's a moment in the music where your partner, as in the lead, lets you go, free game. Do whatever you want until he or she asks back for your hand with music. The first one is going to be just the basic cross side behind, side, cross in front, side behind. Ready? Here we go. The second variation to the cross forward side back is the cross forward side back with the triple step. Here we go, starting towards our left hand side again. Remember, we're going to cross on 4. Here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how I did that? Again, let's break it down. So I did forward, side, and then I did a triple step crossing. Forward, side, triple step crossing, and close with my hip tap. Let's do it on the other side and towards my right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's see the second figure now with a triple step. Let's see it the other way. Here we go. That's the cool thing about bachata, is that it's always 4/4. So you can start doing any of these figures on either side. However, we always must start towards our left-hand side. Leads and follows, we must always start towards our right-hand side. So whether or not you do the step at what time, you still have to dance the dance at the timing of the song. So if you were to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there I am, ready to go back to my left-hand side on 1. So, kind of cool, huh, with the bachata? All right, everybody. Well, I hope you found some value in this video today. And if you did, go ahead and smash that like button like you've never done it before. And if you want to continue to see my videos, right here, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell button right next to it. That lets you know when all my new videos are coming out. Also, check down in the description below for more information on dance apparel and dancewear that will help you with ease dance on the dance floor. Whether it's a nightclub, a dance class, a dance fitness class, go check it out. Last but not least, there's a link down there that will show you how to participate in this channel's success. If you guys want to participate and you think it's awesome what I'm doing and you believe in it, then go ahead and click that link and see if you want to participate in helping this channel continue its success. Once again, I'm Will Orrock, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and I thank you very much for coming to my channel so that I can teach you some dance moves.